Okay, children. So this is the second main we have. Second and third. The first four terms. I'm going to share now. Okay. Vijay Kumar unnecessary unmute ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಡ. It is disturbing the class. Okay, children. So now you can see here. Write the first four terms of the AP when the first term A and common difference B are given as follows. Now in this, what they have asked you to find the first four terms. To find the first four terms of AP when the first term is given and common difference is given. What is the first term given in this? First term is given as 10. Common difference is given as 10. And you should find the first four terms. So first four terms, how you are writing? A1, that is A. A2, that is A plus D. A3, that is A plus 2D. A4, that is A plus 3D. Okay, children. Now, can you tell me what is the first term now? A.
A, miss.
A means
10.
that is 10. First term is 10. Second term, 10 plus 10. What do you get?
20, miss.
Okay. Third term, 10 plus 2 times of 10. So 10 plus 2 times of 10 means 20. So what do you get the third term?
30, miss.
30.
30, miss.
Next, fourth term, 10 plus 3 times of 10. So that is 10 plus
40,
3
miss.
times of
40, miss.
so that is 40. So they have asked you to write the first four terms of AP. So how you write? Therefore, the four terms of AP. Four terms of AP are 10, 20, 30, 40. Okay, your answer should be complete, children. Whenever you are writing the answers, if you write conclusion, then only it looks like your answer is completed. Simply if you find four terms and leave it, then that will not give complete for your answer. Okay, you should write what is asked, that conclusion you should write four terms of an APR 10, 20, 30, 40. Understood all of you this?
Yes, miss.
Okay. So shall I move on to the next problem now?
Yes, ma'am.
ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರಾ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ? Okay. So now second problem. Second question, what they have asked you to do it. Again, you have to find four terms. A is given -2, D is given 0. So write down A1, A2, A3, A4 and find out what you get. A1 you write it as A, A2 you write it as A plus D, A3 you write it as A plus 2D, A4 you write it as A plus 3D. Finally, you should tell me answer what you are getting here. Are you doing? ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ? Yes, tell me what is the first term?
-2.
-2. What is the second term?
-2, miss.
-2 plus 0.
-2 plus 0 is
-2,
again
miss.
minus. Yes, third term.
-2, miss.
-2 plus 2 into 0. If you do again, you'll get -2 itself. Fourth term.
-2, miss.
-2 plus 3 times of 0 is -2. So why you are getting the same terms? All terms are same in this AP. What is the reason?
Miss, the common difference is 0, miss.
Difference is 0. So therefore, four terms of AP. Four terms of AP are -2, comma -2, comma -2, comma -2. Even if you write 100 times also, you'll get the same -2 itself. Okay? Understood this one, all of you? Okay, children. So now third one. A is equals to 4, comma D is equals to -3. What is A1, A2, A3, A4? Do it. A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D. Let's find out and tell me the answer fast. How you find this?
Miss, A is equal to 4, miss.
Yes. Then next one.
A2 is equal to 1, miss.
A to 1 to 1 miss.
Yes. Third term.
Miss, A3 is equal to -2, miss.
Minus
Minus 3 means you get it as 4 minus 6. That is equal to 2. Okay. Next
Miss,
fourth
A4 is
term.
equal to -5, miss.
A4 minus 5 miss.
4 minus 9. So that is equal to -5. So here, what conclusion you write? Four terms of APR. 1, 4, comma 1, comma -2, comma -5. Understood, children? All of you? All of you completed this?
Yes miss. Yes miss.
Okay. Then next, fourth one, A is equals to -1, comma D is equals to 1 by 2. -1 is given and D 1 by 2 is given. So you have to find out what is A1, A2, A3, A4.
Miss, A1 is equal to -1, miss.
A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D. Yes. Tell me, what is the
A2 is equal to -2 miss.
A1 is equals to -1, A2 is equals to -1 plus half. So what do you get?
-1 by 2,
plus
miss.
half. -1 by 2. Very good. Next, third term,
Miss,
-1
A3
plus
is equal to
1.
0, miss.
So what you get A3?
0, miss.
2 ones are, so gets cancelled. So 1 minus 1, it is 0. A4 is equals to -1 plus 3 into 1 by 2. So what you get? -1 plus 3 by 2. That is equal to
Miss, -1.
your
Minus
1 by 2.
7 by 2.
-1. Miss, 1 by 2, miss.
1 by 2. That is not minus, plus 1 by 2 itself. So what you write
Yes,
the
miss.
four terms of AP? What are the four terms of AP?
Miss.
-1, -1 by 2, 0,
Minus
1 by 2.
minus 1 by 2, 0, 1 by
Miss.
2. Can you get the next term?
Miss.
Yes.
Miss minus 1 plus 3 by 2. How can it answer 1 by 2? Miss minus 1 half or how can
Wait. I'll let you. See, minus
Miss,
1 is there, plus 3 by 2 is there. If nothing is there, here you are taking LCM of 2 and 1. So this also you are changing into 2, this also you are changing into 2. So what you get? Minus 2 plus 3 all divided by 2. So what is 3 minus 1? So that is by 2. Understood?
Miss? And the
Okay. Shall I move on to the next question now? Okay, children. So now, fifth one, A is equals to minus 1.25 and D is equals to minus 0.25. Both are negative sign. Be careful while solving this. What is A1, A2, A3, A4? A1 you write it as A, A2 you write it as A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D. Okay, tell me fast what is A1?
1.25, miss. Minus 1.25, miss.
That's 1.25. A2 minus 1.25 minus 0.25. So what you get? Both if you add, both are
Minus
negative sign again.
1.50, miss.
0 miss.
Get minus
1.50, miss.
Okay, very good. Next, minus 1.25 plus 2 into 0.25. So what you get? 0.25 is, you will get it as 0.50. This is minus sign is there. So that
Minus
is
1.5.
minus 1.75.
Minus 1 point.
Okay. Minus 1.25 plus 3 into 0.25. So this 3 into 0.25 minus 0.75. For that, if you add 1.25, what you get the answer?
2.00, miss.
Yes, minus
Minus 2 miss.
2.00.
Minus 2 miss.
So therefore, the four terms of AP, are. So what are the four terms of AP? Minus 1.25, minus 1 point,
1.50.
minus 1.75, and minus 2
Minus
point.
0.00.
Okay. In this way, you have to write the answers in your notes, children. Okay, is it clear? Is it clear
Yes,
for all?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I think you have taken the screenshot of the questions. Then I'm going to move on to the next, the third main. In the third main, AP is given. In the second main, you have written AP. So that is four terms you have written. The third main, they have given four terms. You have to find what is the first term and what is the common difference. Now, all of you understood the second main? Do you have any doubts in this?
No, miss.
Okay. We'll move on to the next main. Third main, AP is given. AP is given 3, 1, minus 1, minus 3. So in this, you should find out what is the first term and common difference. So to find the first term, A, how you do this? What is A1 in this?
3, miss.
3, miss.
3. Common difference is A2 minus A1. How you find common difference?
1 minus 3 miss.
Miss, A2 minus A1, miss. Minus 2, miss. Answer.
Minus
1
2,
minus
miss.
3 minus 2. Understood all of you?
Yes.
Second question I'll write. Minus 5, minus 1, 3, 7, so on. What is the first term A1 and what is the common difference? You should write along with me in your notes. What is the first term in this?
Minus 5,
Minus
miss.
5, miss.
Minus 5. Difference. What is the common difference?
Minus 1.
Miss 4 miss. Plus 4 miss.
4, miss.
Plus 4 miss.
Minus of 5. So what you get this? Minus 1 plus 5. So that is plus 4. Understood this one? See, you should be very careful when you get negative signs, children. One more step you can understand here. If you get confused here, you can also check it with this is A1, A2, A3, A4. Even you can check it with A4 minus A3 also. So what you get A4 minus A3? 7 minus
4 miss.
3. 7 minus 3, what you get? The same common difference? 4. So if you are getting confused with the negative sign, you can also do it with also. So A4 minus A3 also you get the common difference as 4. You should find the difference between any two consecutive terms to get the common difference. Is it clear, children, now?
Yes, miss.
Shall I third question? 1 by 3, 5 by 3, 9 by 3, 13 by 3, and so on. So in this, what is the first term and what is the common difference?
5 by
Miss, by 3 is
minus
the
1
first
by
term, miss, and common difference is 4 by 3.
8, 7. So here 1 by 3. Common difference A2 minus A1, what you get? 5 by 3 minus 1 by 3. Both are like terms, so you can just do subtraction directly. 5 minus 4 by 3. Here, children. So next one, fourth question will be 0.6, 1 point, 3.9. Hey Kumar, unmute ಮಾಡಬೇಡ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಅನ್ಮ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಮ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋ so now in this what is the first term what first
0.
term and common
Miss.
0 is it 0
0.6, miss.
0.6 yes very good Shakira 0.6 and common difference D is
1.1, miss.
1.7
minus
so that is
0.6.
what is the answer
1.1, miss.
1.1.
1.1 understood all of you understood this how to find the first term how to find the common difference all of you understood this okay so next we'll move on to the next main in this you have to check whether the given terms are in AP or not if they form AP you should find the common difference D and then 3 more terms you should write fourth main okay write which of the following are APs if they form an AP find the common difference D and write 3 more terms so in this first one given 2 comma 4 comma 8 comma 16 so here like this it is given you should check whether they form a common AP or not is it forming an AP how you check whether it is an AP or not now 2 to 4 what is the change here for 2 what you are adding
2, miss. Plus 2, miss.
Difference, miss.
4 to 8 what you are adding
Plus 4, miss.
4, miss.
8 to 16 what you are adding
Plus 8.
Plus
Plus 8. Plus 8.
is it forming an AP
Plus 8.
no,
is it
miss.
forming an
No,
AP
miss. No, miss.
here what conclusion you will write Given terms are not in arithmetic progression. Given terms are not arithmetic progression.
Miss ಇಷ್ಟೇ ಬರಿಬೇಕನ್ ಮಿಸ್?
Yes. Given terms are not in arithmetic progression. Is it clear,
ಮಿಸ್
children?
ಇಷ್ಟೇ ಬರಿಬೇಕನ್?
ಎಸ್ ಇಷ್ಟೇ ಬರಿಬೇಕು. ಇನ್ನ ಏನಿದೆ ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೆಯಕ್ಕೆ? ಅವು ಎ ಪಿ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಕಾಮನ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅವು ಎ ಪಿ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಸೊ ಯು ನೋ ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಕಾಮನ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸ್. Okay. Is it clear now?
Yes, miss.
Okay. Second question. 2, 5 by 2, 3, 7 by 2, 7 by 2. Now, for 2, what you should add to get 5 by 2? You can find the difference between 5 by 2 minus 2. What you get 5 by 2 minus 2? How you do this? If nothing is there, imagine here you are having. So,
ಮಿಸ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಈಸ್ 1 by 2 ಮಿಸ್.
get 5 minus 4 by 2. So that is, you get it as 1 by 2. 1 by 2. Next, 3 minus 5 by 2, you check it. What you get 3 minus 5 by 2? So if you take LCM, what you get? Minus 5 by 2. So it is 1 by 2. The same way you check it with 7 by 2 minus 3. What you get? 7 by 2 minus 3 is 7 minus 6 by 2. So that is 1 by 2. So if you observe, what is the common difference you are getting in all three cases? In all three cases, common difference you are getting it is 1 by 2. Is it clear? ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ ನಾ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಂತ?
Yes, miss.
Check the common difference. Now, all are having the common difference b, that is equal to 1 by 2. Next, what they have given, and write 3 more terms. So here, what you should write? Given terms are in AP. Given terms are in arithmetic progression. Given terms are in arithmetic progression. So next 3 terms. A1, A2, A3, A4 is given. Now you should find A5, A6, A7. How you write A5, A6, A7? A5 is written as
A plus 4D.
A plus 5D, A plus 6D. Now, what is A here? 2. This 4 into common differences 1 by 2. So what you get? 2 ones are 2 twos are. So 2 plus 2 is 4. Next, 2 plus 5 into 1 by 2. So what you get the answer? Can you tell me what is the answer you are getting here? 2 plus 5 by 2 add ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? 9 by 2.
9 by 2,
Next.
miss.
2 plus 6 into 1 by 2. So 2 ones are 2 threes are. So this you get it as 5. So the next 3 terms are next 3 terms are next 3 terms of AP are 4, 9 by 2, 5. Is it clear, children? ಆಗ್ತಿದೆನಾ? So in this way you have to solve all the problems. Okay? Next. All of you completed this? Okay, all this I have uploaded in the study material section. So all of you should complete this in your mind. ಮತ್ತೆ last year ಕಳಿಸ್ತಂದ್ರೆ solutions ಕಳಿಸೋದು ಅದು ಏನು ಇಲ್ಲ. We are not sending you any solutions. Whatever the problem solved in class, all that will be uploaded in study material section. You should just write down the question and answers from the study material section and you should practice. And don't waste your time. Next month you will be having FK1. So for that you should prepare well. Okay. So next third question. Write down third question all of you. Minus 1.2 comma minus 3.2 minus 5.2 and minus 7.2. Now in this, find out the common difference for subtract and check it. What is the difference between these two? Minus 3.2 minus of minus 1.2. What do you get? Minus 3.2 plus 1.2. What do you get?
4.0, Miss.
0. Okay, in the same way, minus 5.2 minus of minus 3.2. So what do you get the answer? Minus 5.2 minus of minus will become plus. So again you get minus 2.0 itself. Next, minus 7.2 minus of minus 5.2. Again what you get? The difference is minus 2.0 itself. So what is the common difference here you are getting? Minus 2.0. Common difference is minus 2.0. Okay. So given terms are in AP. Are in arithmetic progression. So if they are in arithmetic progression, what you should do? Find out the next three terms. So how you find the next three terms? Here A1 is given, A2 is given, A3 is given, A4 is given. So you should find now A5, A6, A7. How you find A5, A6, A7? A5 you find it as A plus 4D, A6 as A plus 50, A7 as A plus 60. So now tell me answer. What is A plus 4D? A is
9.2, Miss.
plus 4 into minus 2.0.
A6 is equals to minus 11.2, Miss.
I'm asking you still A5, not A6. Tell me A5.
A5 is equals to minus 11.2, Miss.
A5 is equals to minus 9.2, Miss.
So it is minus 9.2, not 11. Next, A6, minus 1.2. Minus 1.2 plus of my 5 into minus 2.0. So 2 5s are 10 you will get.
A6 is equals to minus 11.2, Miss.
Minus 11 point.
A7. What is A7? Minus 1.
Miss minus 13.2, Miss.
Okay. 6 2s are 12. 12 minus 12 minus 1.2. So you get it as minus 13.2.
Miss.
Right. A7, A6, A5. So that is 9.2 minus 11.2, minus 13.2. These are the next three terms. AP. Clear? Understood, children, all of you? Okay, shall I move on to the next question? First one, write down minus 10, minus 6, minus 2, 2. Minus 10, minus of minus 10 is to get, it is minus 6 plus 10. So you get it as plus 4. Minus 2 minus of minus 6. Again you get it as 6 minus 2, that is 4. 2 minus of minus 2. Again you get it as plus 4. So if, in all three cases if you observe, D is 4. Common difference is plus 4. Now A5. How you write A5? A plus 4D. A is minus 10 plus 4 into 4. So 4 fours are 16. 16 minus 10. You get it as 6. A6. A plus 1 minus 10 to 4. So 20 minus 10 is 10. The same
10.
way find out A. So 6 4 are 24 minus 10. So you get it as 14. So what are the three terms of AP? 6, 10, 14, and common difference is 4. Okay? So in this way you have to write it in your notes, children. Clear? All of you completed this? All of you completed, children? Next
Yes,
question.
miss.
Yes, miss.
3 plus 2, 3 plus 2 root 2, 3 plus 3 root 2, and so on. Now in this, if you observe the difference, what is the difference you are getting? Root 2.
Miss, 1 root 2, miss.
Again from here to here, it's 3 plus root 2, 3 plus 2 root 2. What is increased? Again, again from here to here. So what is the common difference you are getting? 3 minus 3.
1 root 2, miss.
Common difference is 1 root 2. Now what is the fifth term? A5 is equals to A plus 4D. So that is A is 3 plus 4 into root 2. So you get it as A plus 4 root 2. It is 3 plus 4 root 2. And A6 is A plus 5D. So that is equal to 3 plus 5 root 2. And A7 is A plus 6D. So that is equal to 3 plus 6 root 2. So in this way you have to write the next three terms of AP, and the common difference is root 2. Understood, children? All of you? Completed? This is in decimals, do it carefully. 0.2, 0.22, 0.2222, 0.222, and so on. 0.2, 0.22, 0.22. What is the difference here from this? How much is added?
0.02
Miss
Plus
0.2 Miss
0.02 is
02.
added here. From here to here, observe how much is added?
Miss 0.002 Miss
0.002 is added. From here to here, if you observe 0.02
0.0002.
is added. So here, common difference is not the same. So therefore, given terms are not in arithmetic progression. Given terms are not in arithmetic progression. Understood, children? Okay? Only this much you should write for your in your notes. Okay, the next seventh one.
sa palako.
0, minus 4, comma, minus 8, comma, minus 12. Now, if you observe from here to here, minus 4. Again, from here to here, it is minus 4. Here to here, it is difference is minus 4 itself. So again, the common difference what you get here, that is minus 4, comma, minus 0, that is minus 4. And what is A5, A6, A7? A5 you can write it as A plus 4D, A plus 5D, A plus 6D. In all three cases, A is 0.
Minus 16 Miss. A5 is equal to minus 16 Miss.
4, so you get it 4 4s are 16. Now 0 plus 5 into minus 4. So what you get? Minus 20. 0 plus 6 into minus. Just tell me.
minus 24 Miss.
24 miss. Minus 24.
Very good. So these are the three terms of arithmetic progression. Is it clear, children? Understood all of you?
Yes,
And
Miss.
all this will be solved in your maths notes. Okay? The next question. Minus 1 by 2, comma, minus 1 by 2, comma, minus 1 by 2, comma, minus 1 by 2, so and so on. So what is the common difference here?
0 miss.
0 Miss.
So here common difference is minus 1 by 2 minus of minus 1 by 2. You get it as 0. So therefore all three terms A5, A6, A7 all three will be equal to A itself because common difference what you have is 0. So therefore any number of terms in this AP you take all you get is minus 1 by 2 itself. Understood, children? Okay. So in this way, you have to solve all the problems. So still remaining ninth question. How much is possible? We'll do this. Remaining, you try to solve this. Yes. In this, can you tell me what is the difference here? You can find 1 to 3. How much is added?
2 miss. 2
Now,
miss.
plus, you should tell me fast. What is the difference?
6 miss.
6 Miss.
27. 9 to 27 plus 18. So here If you observe the terms, the common difference is not the same. So therefore, what you will write? Given terms are not in arithmetic progression. Not in arithmetic progression. Understood, children? Okay, so shall I move on to the next problem? 10th one. A, comma 2A, comma 3A, comma 4A, and so on. So if you observe, what is the difference here to this?
1,
Plus
miss.
A you are having. So what is the common difference you get here? Common difference is 2A minus A. If you do, you will get A. So what is A5, A6, A7 then? A5 is A plus 4D, A5 A plus 5D, and A7 is A plus 6D. So how you get? A plus 4D is A plus 4A, that is equal to 5A. A plus 5A you get, that is equal to 6A. And A plus 6A, so that is equal to 7A. Is it clear, children? So these are the next three terms of AP. Understood? In the same way, can you do remaining 5 problems, children? 10 problems we have solved.
Yes, miss.
Yes, miss.
Miss
Okay.
13th one, madam, Miss.
13th one. Okay. 13th one, I'll do it. 13th one, root 3, comma root 6, comma root 9, comma root 12. So here, all are root numbers you are having. So you cannot subtract them. So from one number to the next number, if you take, the common difference is not the same. Root 6 minus root 3, you cannot subtract them because they both are having radical difference. So therefore, given terms are not in AP. Given terms are not in arithmetic progression. In the same way, you should do 11th one also. What is given 11th one? A square, A cube is given, A by 4. These are not the common difference is not the same here. If you observe in this A to A, here you should get common difference as A, but here multiples of A you are getting. So it is, they are not in AP. You can write directly. They are not in AP. In the same way, 14th and 15th also. 14th and 15th problem if you do, 14th one, 1 square, 3 square, 5 square, 7 square, and so on. So here 3 square is 9, 5 square is 25, 7 square is 49. If you observe, common difference what you are getting in this 1 to 9 it is plus 8, and 9 to 25, what is the common difference you are getting? 25 minus 9. So you get it as plus 16. And here 49 to 25, you get it as plus 20, sorry, not 26. 24. So here this common difference is going on increasing. So it is not, difference is increasing. You are not getting any common difference. So you can write they are not in AP. In the same way, 15th sum also. 1 square, 5 square, 7 square, 73. So if you observe here what you get, 1 square is 1, 24, 49, 73. See, in this you will check whether you are getting common difference or not for this 1 to 24. 1, 24, 49, 73. So from here to here you are getting 23. Again from here to here, what is the common difference you are getting between 49 and 24? So it is plus 25 again from here. So the difference is not the same. So it is not in given terms are not in AP. Only thing you should check for 12th one. 12th question, root 2 is there, root 8 is there, root 19 is there, root 32. This you can write it as root 2 first term as it is. Second term root 2 can be written as 2 root 2. 18. This is 18. This third term can be written as 3 root 2. Fourth term can be written as 4 root 2. So here if you observe common difference, you are getting it as root 2. So therefore it is in AP. You should write the next three terms for this 12th question. Is it clear, children? Understood all of you? So this completes the first exercise, and all of you should complete your first exercise in your maths notes. And whenever in between classes, I will be taking in between weekdays. If I get any free periods or if any teachers are absent, I will be taking class for you. So you should maintain your notes correctly, and in the next class I will be starting exercise 1.2, so don't miss the class. And before that, today itself all should complete your first exercise. And this all study materials, whatever the solutions we have discussed, I have uploaded in study material section. All of you can go through that study material section, and still if you have not understood, class recording is available in recording section. If you have not understood, you can go through that class recording also. Okay? So don't miss any of the classes. Is it clear, children?